fish on, redfish, I think. Got him on a top water this time. Skitterwalk. Had a pretty good tide back here this morning. Oh, this afternoon, you should say. Running around. That's what I'm good at. Not a bad fish, maybe 22. Good old bronze bulldog, some pretty color. Come on out here, big boy. There we go. Can't ask for a better place to fish in this backcountry, in this refuge. Only seen a couple of boats today, and I haven't seen anybody back in here. Well, I can tell you it's a big croaking male. 23 inches. Alright, big guy. I'll catch you on the flip. Fish on. Redfish. Throwing a Mirrodine. Let me get up on top of this old boy. Definitely wants to get in the rocks, in the mangroves, and everything else. Come on out here, big guy. I can barely see you, but yeah. There we go. That's a bigger fish than I thought. Yeah. Oh yeah. Big old bronze bulldog. That's a lot of fun. Kind of tough throwing top waters this time of day. I think of that sun directly overhead. These fish don't see anything but the sun in their face. Come on back in here. Come on. Instead of trying to lift him or her, just make him wear himself out by running this side pressure. And I'm hearing oh yeah, it's about 3 o'clock in the afternoon. There's a big boy or big girl. All right. This is a beefcake. and it's a big female. Boy, she's pretty. Look at that. All right, let's see what we got. That's 25. That is one gorgeous fish. All right, big gal. That was a lot of fun. There we go. Oh, that might have been a snook. Fish on. Redfish got a head shaker. Everybody's leaving this joint. This is a big fish too. All I gotta do is keep him off his bottom. Whew. Mirrodine's getting them. I tell you, these fish have been finicky. One day I get them on the top water Skitterwalk, and here I am throwing this magic bean, as I call it. They snatch it right off the bottom. Well, not as big as I thought he was. I haven't done so bad for being up here in the late afternoon. Usually not on big on fishing these stuff around lunchtime, 2 or 3 in the afternoon. Boy, this old boy inhaled that. Or girl, don't know which. Pretty fish. Bronze bulldog. Mr. or Mrs. Spottail. Alright. There's a 24-inch redfish. That's a female. Alright, big gal.